Hello everyone, I am Vani, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from Dr. S.R.K. In the last lecture series, we have seen how CorelDRAW is useful for developing digital platform and desktop publishing suite, and how it is used for industry-based production. In this lecture series, we are going to see how to choose an object in the CorelDRAW and what is the purpose of objects. Here, choosing an object, we make selections that enable us to choose objects without collecting them simultaneously. Selection collections are connected with some numbers from ranges 0 to 9, which can be saved as a long document. To choose an object, we have to first pick tool. We have to select pick tool and have to press which object we have to need it. After selecting the object, in the picture you have seen that the arrow mark first one represents the pick tool. The next from pick tool you are seeing the objects which you are going to select. Here the second arrow denotes we are selecting rectangle object. There we can simultaneously choose multiple objects. We can select multiple objects such as rectangle, square, polygon, circle, oval, etc. While choosing multiple objects, we can give same size simultaneously for all objects. For that purpose, we can use multiple objects. Here the next one is deleting, duplicating and copying an object. What is deleting, duplicating and copying an object? CorelDRAW allows us to give various ideas to copy an object which we no longer require object. We can also delete it. The next one is pasting, copying and cutting. We can copy and cut an object from for placing over a clipboard, or paste these objects into a drawing of other applications. Cutting objects place over a clipboard. Remove these objects from drawing. Copying an objects and place these objects over a clipboard. However, keep its original one within the drawing. Here in the screen we are in the picture we are seeing the edit option which used for cut, copy and paste in CorelDRAW for an object. The next one is transforming object. Transforming object is nothing but we can modify an object representation inside a drawing window. Some essential key points are discussed as follows. The first one is sizing. The second one is scaling. The sizing represents the height and width of an object. By changing the height and width, we can we can give a smaller or larger in size of an object. By scaling, it enables the object to its original size percentage. By scaling, we can measure the object as its original size, and we can also zoom the size as bigger, and also we can fit to the window. For that purpose we are using scaling. The next one is skewing. Skewing enables us to slant the object to only one side, which represents we can change the position of an object which shows a skew format, and drag the skew handle which we have to change the position. In that size, we can change the opposite size of our equal and make the size as the difference. The next one is these are the formats we are using in objects, and how we are selecting an object and a multiple object, cut, copy, pasting, editing options and transforming objects in this lecture series. The next series we can see about CorelDRAW mirroring the object and its purposes in the upcoming sessions. Thank you for listening.